In next question you can see one stranger is given from the poem, and on the basis of this stranger some question has been asked. So first question you can see, what is frail as dragonfly's wing? Okay, answer is bells a goldsmith make for feet of peasants are frail as dragonfly wings. Next you can see, what poetic device the poet used to bring out the comparison. Simile has been used to compare the bells to dragonfly's wing. Simile means while we are making comparison with the help of as, like he is as black as coal. Clear? So next you can see, what makes the girdles and scabbards? The goldsmith make the girdles and scabbards. What is the meaning of girdles? Kamarband, scabbard, sheath. What is the girdle? Girdle is a belt worn around the waist. Next, one more stranger is here, and on the basis of this stranger, 4 questions are given here, and you will have to reply. First one you can see, in this stranger each person is involved in an activity. Which one of them is actually selling goods? So here is answer, the fruitman is selling fruits. Next you can see, what do the fruitman cry out? Now it is asked, fruitman was crying for what he was crying, okay, or what he was saying. The fruitmen cry the name of fruits like citron, pomegranate and plum that they are selling. Next you can see, how will playing music help the musician? As you know, all the musicians play music. Then how it will help them to earn money? So you can see the answer here. They get money as donation from people listening. While they are playing music, then obviously people listen it, and after listening they give them money as donation. Clear now? So in this way they can earn money from their music. Next, what is the meaning of the phrase spells for Aeon? The magical spells used by magician charm everyone till eternity. Eternity means अनिश्चितता तक, यानी जब तक ये संसार चले. Next you can see, here some phrasal verbs are given, okay, and different phrasal verbs have different meaning. So on the basis of that, some sentences are given here, and on the basis of these phrasal verbs you will have to fill these blanks. So first one you can see, Sammy set to his hard work earnestly and finished it on time. Earnestly होता बेटा उत्सुकता से, जोश के साथ. Okay, so set to, what is the meaning of set to? You can see, start energetically. While you are starting something with full energy, that is called set to. Next you can see, his elder brother set out on a long journey. Set out means start a journey. While you are beginning a new journey, that is called set out. Next you can see, winter set in. What is the meaning of set in? Begin, किसी चीज की शुरुआत करना. Winter set in earlier than usual. Fourth one you can see, he set aside. What is the meaning of set aside? To dismiss. He set aside all their demands. Next, the rights set something back, development project by many years. Set something back means delay, देरी करना. Next you can see, miscreants set off a bomb at the crowded marketplace. What is the meaning of set off? Set off meaning is given here. You can see, set off to explode. किसी चीज का explode होना, फटना, means he put the bomb at the crowded place to explode it. Okay. Next you can see, she sat down all their condition on the separate piece of paper. Set down means to write down, to note down. Okay. Next, he set up his own business in suburb of the city. So सेटअप होता है बेटा एस्टेब्लिश, किसी चीज़ को सेटअप करना, जैसे बिजनेस सेटअप करना. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी conjunction. What is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction are those words which join two phrases, clauses or sentences. Clear? So here you can see first one, I usually prefer pink or green. While there is option, then you will use or. I left after she arrived. In bracket, two options are here, although and after. So we will choose after. Why? I left after she arrived, यानी उसके पहुंचने के बाद I left, मैं वहाँ से गया. Both Sonia and, both and, it's a coordinating conjunction. Next you can see Aditi entered the house after I left. When Aditi came? While I left the home. Okay, after. Next you can see whenever there are whenever there are mountain, not whenever, there is wherever. So correct option is wherever. Wherever are mountains, you also found valley. Clear now? Obviously, what is the meaning of mountain? Height. Okay, and obviously if there is height, there is depth also. Valley क्या होती है? घाटी. If there is mountain, so it is obviously valley will be also there. Next you can see, since you have finished your work, you can watch TV. The next one, he came to school even though he was ill. वो बीमार था, उसके बावजूद भी वो स्कूल गया. You cannot go you can go wherever you wish. तुम जहाँ चाहो जा सकते हो. Think before you speak, it's a proverb also. Means हमें सोचने से बोलने से पहले सोचना चाहिए. And he has been running temperature since Sunday. Time is given Sunday, so here is since. Next, the patient had died before the doctor came. Means before reaching the doctor, the patient was dead. Next you can see dash, there is will, there is way. Where there is will, there is way. जहाँ चाहा वहाँ रहा. When there are, you will not want to do anything between the two options, then you will choose neither nor. Neither you nor your sister was present in the room. यानी ना ही तो तुम ना ही तुम्हारी सिस्टर प्रेजेंट थी. Remember me wherever you go. Wherever you will go, just remember me. I am always with you. Don't talk when you eat. While we are taking food, we shouldn't talk. Next you can see do or die. करो या मरो. Okay. Or life is but an empty dream. Okay. So means life is like an empty dream, or you can say empty paper. Whatever drawing we will make it, whatever we think, the same will be happen in our life. So we can fill it with our own colors. Clear or not? Next you can see to be, not to be. Option ना, that's why. और क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, that's the question. Next you can see what about if we inflate the balloons first. Condition is there, that's why if. Next you can see the day before yesterday I saw the cobra on the road. I hope the complete exercise is clear to you. So today you will have to fill this complete exercise, and I'll provide you the notes. You will have to write word meaning and question answer of this chapter in your fair notebook. Have a good day.